Welcome back, everyone, to Not Your Advisor. This is NYU Grad on Tuesday, April 2nd. Pretty crazy start to April, huh? Two straight down days in a row. I don't even remember the last time we had such an event. I guess this is all leading up to the eclipse on April 8th. Um, all right, let's jump right in. There's a lot to cover. Um, let's start at the top with breadth. New highs, we had 262 versus new lows 213. A little bit on par here. And then you had 24% of stocks advancing versus 72% of stocks declining. 41% of stocks were below its 50-day moving average, which is an expansion of yesterday and even last week. And 33% of stocks below its 200-day moving average. Now, if you look at the headlines, you'll know today was a very red day on Wall Street. The Dow was down close to 400 points. The NASDAQ was down almost 1%, down 156 points. S&P 500 down 37 points, or 0.72%. The Russell was down the most, down 1.7%. Keep in mind the Dow of the 396 points to the downside, half of that was UNH, which is a big Dow component in healthcare, managed service health insurance provider. Let's look at some of the mega caps. I mean, everything was pretty much red, but let's go to the Mag 7. Curiously, Meta was up 1.23%. I don't know why. I didn't look at the news today, but that was the sole green in the Mag 7. You had Microsoft down 0.74%, Apple down 0.7%, Google down 0.4%, Nvidia down 1.09%. Then you have Amazon down 0.15%, and Tesla another whopping 4.9% to the downside. I guess people just don't care as much about EVs anymore. And this is despite crude and energy prices going higher. I just filled up the tank the other day. It was like $45 in New York for a Mini Cooper. Yes, I drive a Mini Cooper. It's an old one, mid 2000s, R53 for those gearheads. Mini Cooper S with the supercharger. Yeah, I mean, pretty red day. I mean, like, go to the financial, it's the same thing. It's not as bad, but like JP Morgan was red 0.04%. It's a nothing burger, but Visa was up barely a few points. I'm just trying to see pockets of green. You had Meta that was up. You had Eli Lilly up 0.45%. Exxon Mobil up 2%. It was really energy. Looking at sectors here, let's see. Energy was up 1.4%, and that was it. Everything else was red sector-wise. Healthcare was down 1.6%. Consumer cyclical down 1.3%. Real estate down 1.25%. Technology down 1%. Industrials down 0.75%. Just broad selling. Let's see, what else can I dive into? I mean, it's just a sea of red. I'm gonna, what stuck out? 10-year yield during the day hit 4.4%. I mentioned for months, just watch the 10-year yield every day. If we're above 4.5%, that's risk off, and we've slowly crept back up from 3.9. We're now at like 4.3. Gold and silver acted great today. Let's see. I'm going to go through my strong list, all right? This is going to be a short one, and then I'll go through my very long what was weak list. What was strong? Reddit bounced up 9.75%. The VIX up 6.96%. DJT up 6.04%. UVIX, which is a 2x long of the VIX, up 5.76%. BIDI, which is the bearish ETF for Bitcoin, up 5.61%. This is all percent, okay? You had inverse of Russell 2000 up 5.44. You had, let's see, silver up 4.29%. Pan American Silver, PASS, up 3.54%. DRV, which is inverse real estate. A lot of inverse stuff is going to be up today, up 3.33. Wheaton Precious Metals, up 3.24. UCO, which is oil, up 2.4. And gold, which is Barrick Gold, ticker symbol GOLD, up 1.9. What was weak? I'm not going to get through this in one breath, so let me take a sip of a beverage here and try to get through what was weak, okay? These are all percents. Marathon Digital, down 8.78. Restoration Hardware, 7.22. FBTC, Bitcoin ETF, 5.52. I'm going to skip over some of these. These are all Bitcoin related. Rivian, down 5.23. Sweetgreen, down 4.97. I ate lunch there today to be healthy. Tesla, down 4.9%. Carvana, down 4.5%. New York Community Bank, down 4.36%. Kava, down 3.87%. DR Horton, Home Builder, down 3.85%. Bitfarms, down 3.75%. Pulte Homes, Home Builder, down 3.57%. MicroStrategies, down 3.54%. Hovanian, Home Builder, down 3.5%. TriPoint Home Builder, down 3.48%. Zillow Group, down 3.48%. Kura Sushi, down 3.47%. Lyft, down 3.43%. Sprout Social, down 3.38%. Zeta Global, down 3.33%. Wayfair, down 3.28%. Backblaze, down 3.23%. Lennar, down 3.18%. KB Homes, Home Builder, down 3.11%. Beazer Homes, down 3.11%. Toll Brothers, Home Builder, down 3.01%. Birkenstock, the sandal company, down 3%. Arc Innovation, down 2.97%. ITB Home Builder Index, down 2.85%. MGM Resorts, down 2.85%. Roblox, down 2.85%. Race, which is Ferrari, down 2.82%. Crocs Sandals, down 2.81%. Natural Gas, down 2.79%. Monday.com, down 2.76%. Delta Airlines, down 2.74%. Extreme Networks, down 2.7%. ASML Holdings, down 2.64%. SMCI, down 2.63%. AMD, down 2.53%. Coinbase, down 2.49%. CarMax, down 2.48%. AI, down 2.42%. MongoDB, down 2.32%. Palo Alto Networks, PANW, down 2.15%. Affirm Holdings, down 2.12%. Roku, down 2.09%. ARM Holdings, down 2.07%. XHB Home Builder ETF, down 2.07%. UPRO, down 2.02%. And Airbnb, down 2%. Whew. I'm not going to go into the 1% negative because that'll take me another 20 minutes. But you get the drift. What to watch? Wednesday, you have Jerome Powell and a few other Fed heads speaking again. Who knows what they will say? Maybe they will come in and save the day again. Keep watching yields. Again, my line in the sand is 4.5% on the 10-year yield. Keep watching NVIDIA, the semiconductors. And also, I'm linking on the show notes to the layoff reports by TrueUp.io. But for free members, just go to TrueUp.io. That's the URL. And then go to Layoff Tracker. With that, free members, will see you after the Wednesday session. Premium members, please stay on for some charts.